Hey there, aquaponic maniacs. Just wanted to tell you a little bit about the aquaponics system urban farming. Has been a project and a main drive for many of an inner city community advocate. And growing food in the asphalt jungle with any consistency has perplexed the best of us. And doing it with aquaponics in any capacity, indoors or out, is the right thing to do. And can be done aptly for the city dwellers' self-sustenance. Wanted to give a shout out real quick to, again, the Seagull Lily Gardens here in Sandy City, Utah. If by chance you're able to come by, they've got some things going in the springtime as well in the summer months. Thank you so much for allowing me to film here at the gardens. And as we're wrapping up filming here at the Seagull Lily Gardens, just wanted to highlight the new t-shirt that we have on ThatAquaponicsGuy.com. Forever thankful, always grateful, and abundantly blessed. Get it while supplies last. All right. Have a great day, God bless, and Godspeed.